Good morning, friends. Great day to all of you. So, friends, some provisions may have to be removed from the Inflation Reduction Act in order for it to be signed into law. President Biden plans on signing the new bill into law as soon as this week, but progressive lawmakers are against making these huge changes to the plan. My friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn more about the latest version of the bill. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Here's the bill titled the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. So the plan my Democrat colleagues have laid out, let me just give you a couple details in the plan to reduce inflation in the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. Here's one. Up to $4 billion have been allocated to study cow burping and their production of methane. I'm sure that's going to bring down the price of beef right away. That grocery store prices, as I've heard, even on the floor today, this is going to bring down the prices at the grocery store by having up to $4 billion allocated to study cow burping. It has $2 billion in construction grants to improve walkability in context-sensitive projects. No one seems to know what the word context-sensitive projects even means, or how $2 billion in construction to improve walkability will bring down inflation. There's $3 billion for environmental justice block grants to facilitate workshops to bring down inflation. Aren't you confident that the price of eggs and of bread will go down after $3 billion is spent on environmental justice workshops? $17 million for consumer-related education and partnerships to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By the way, that's not reducing, that's partnerships to discuss reducing. There is a brand new tax credit for Elon Musk that's in this, though. I'm sure that'll bring down inflation. Tesla has used up all of its credits for its electric vehicles. So this bill renews it and does a special perk for Tesla to give them an unlimited amount of new tax credits. I'm sure Elon Musk is thrilled about his unlimited new tax credit to him, and I'm sure all of our prices will go down based on Elon Musk's new multi-billion-dollar tax credit that he gets. Again, the bill is the Inflation Reduction Act. There's a new fee on methane, which will raise the price of natural gas, which has been estimated to raise the price of our natural gas to the consumer 17%.
This is the breaking news on stimulus relief. Georgia residents could get another tax rebate thanks to a state budget surplus. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp is looking at a second round of tax rebates similar to those that went out over the summer. State lawmakers approved legislation in March to distribute the rebates of $250 for single filers, $375 for heads of household with dependents, and then $500 for joint filers. Last month, Democrat Stacey Abrams, who was running against Governor Kemp, proposed identical tax rebates, though hers would be limited to residents of Georgia making $250,000 or less. State officials have said Georgia residents need money in their pockets and a roof over their heads, and we need to invest to help them meet this moment. This time, the Georgia governor is also considering a property tax rebate for homeowners. In Delaware, Governor John Carney also signed House Bill 360 that will send $300 in direct payments to Delaware taxpayers and adults. The bipartisan tax rebate legislation, which will provide a total of $600 for married couples, is intended to help counter the impact of inflation on Delaware families. The checks will be issued to residents of Delaware who already filed their 2020 personal income tax returns. State House Minority Leader Danny Short told reporters this rebate will turn approximately $230 million to Delaware residents. My members believe this initiative should be the first significant step in a process to better balance the cost of providing state services and easing the tax burden on all Delaware residents. Friends, please comment below if your state or city is providing you direct relief payments to its residents. Friends, the keyword for this video is Providence, Rhode Island. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Providence, Rhode Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Senate Democrats failed to accomplish their long-standing goal of lowering the price of insulin for the more than 150 million Americans with private health insurance. The Democratic Party had pushed to include a measure in their climate and healthcare package that passed a chamber that would place a $35 cap on insulin for those individuals on Medicare and with private coverage. However, the Senate parliamentarian decided that extending the cap to the private market was not compliant with the rules of the reconciliation process, which Democrats used to pass the legislation with a simple majority vote. Democrats kept the provision in the bill anyway, but Republicans raised a point of order that led to a vote that limited the $35 cap to Medicare beneficiaries only. The final vote was 57 to 43, with 7 GOP senators joining all members of the Senate Democratic Caucus on the vote. Democrats have long sought to reduce the price of insulin, which has skyrocketed over the years, though it only costs a few dollars to make. That has forced some Americans to ration the medication. President Biden called for the $35 cap in his State of the Union address in March, and Democrats included it in their sweeping Build Back Better package, which passed the House last fall before stalling in the Senate. This year, Democratic Senator Raphael Warnock of Georgia also pushed a bill that would limit the cost of insulin to $35. More than 7 million people rely on insulin. About a fifth of those who take insulin and have health coverage through large employers pay more than $35 a month for the medication. So friends, please let me know what your thoughts are on this. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Thank you, dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed morning.